now we want to do a simulation of wood hitting the ground for the poles that his tripod gets shot off. So it's too tingy. This pole's too short. The spot that I'm trying to do here is right here when his legs of his tripod get shot off. There. So one lands on concrete and the other one lands on itself. It's a way to make it more muted. Too high pitched. Dampen it with some cloth. Let's try this. Maybe I'll give it a try. Wow, that was like a one-shot wonder right there. And then he's gonna want his third one shot off. Yeah, we'll go with that.